Hi crypto fans, welcome back here with more news on the Bitcoin, and today we're talking about the Bitcoin ETF is not being approved by the SEC, still not confirmed, but it can possibly happen. Let's discuss this information while the price of Bitcoin is actually falling down, and from $48,000 at the highest, we dropped down to $45K already, as a couple of hours left before the approval or decline will happen. We're going to discuss this information on today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Let's start. First of all, on July 1st, 2013, Cameron Tyler Winklevoss filed the Winklevoss Bitcoin Trust as planned Bitcoin ETF. At the time, the price of Bitcoin was less than only $100, and thankfully, the SEC did not approve it in an effort to protect investors from a 450x return. You need to understand, it happened once and it can happen once again. It was 2013, now it's 2024, almost 2023, 2023 past, now we are in 2024. It's 10 years past and we are at the same situation again. Let's see what the SEC will do. But Bitcoin chart might be messy, but it's the horizontal level are being respected extremely well. I could see fact acceleration above 46.2k, but as long as we trade between 44,600, 4600, 200, it will likely be choppy in anticipation of the ETF headline. Next up, SEC to delay spot Bitcoin ETF. All signs were indicating towards Bitcoin ETF approval. Both 1x CEO and Valkyrie co-founder said ETF will start trading on Thursday. Today is Wednesday. Last night, SEC posted that spot Bitcoin ETF have been approved. That led to Bitcoin crossing 48,000. However, they later confirmed that their Twitter account was hacked, causing a mega dump, which really is hard to believe, as SEC always talks about being careful, and they themselves didn't enable two-factor authentication for their Twitter account. What the fuck is that? SEC saw no real reason for a rejection, but causing a manipulation like this puts crypto in a negative light, and that might be the exact reason why they were looking for to delay the ETF. There was a lot of positivity around the crypto and Bitcoin, and there weren't any thoughts, so right before the approval they pulled this stunt to show crypto in negative light, and after this tweet, Bitcoin dropped down to 44,600, which was a 10% drop in the 5 minutes trend. Also, how fast did they recover their account? Didn't even take long. I have never seen it happen before. I think the SEC did all of this deliberately to manipulate the market and to delete the spot Bitcoin ETF. For my community, I advise to stay away from leverage trading, at least for now. Keep your long-term holds. While spot Bitcoin ETF is inevitable, while NGU is inevitable in an inflationary system with a finite asset, we must remember that Bitcoin is the most important saving technology humanity has ever created. So the NGU and ETF, while inevitable, will only help to accelerate Bitcoin access to hundreds of millions. We're about to enter the black hole's gravitational portals that will slingshot us to a level of adoption that is unimaginable right now. $450 million Bitcoin deposited on Coinbase to increase liquidity, as Bloomberg rating ETF approval at 90%. The stars are aligning. Jamie Dimon says Bitcoin use cases are sex trafficking, terrorism, financing, etc. JP Morgan is one of the biggest money launderers. Oh yeah, and they are an authorized participant for BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF. On all of the screenshots, we could see the manipulations that are happening by JP Morgan only. JP Morgan hit was $200 million in fines. JP Morgan Chase settles Jeffrey Epstein sex trafficking sued by US Virgin Island for $75 million. JP Morgan settles for $2.6 billion fine over Madoff wallet. JP Morgan Chase Bank in connection with Bernard L. Madoff's multi-billion-dollar Ponzi scheme, and bunch of other news that we could see. The biggest manipulator on the market right now is JP Morgan. They want the Bitcoin to die, but they will never do it because Bitcoin is going to thrive. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one, and peace.